for the company. The reason is in the analysis, if you see in this menu, it is saying aggregate measures. So the entire measure has been aggregated, and since there is no dimension anywhere else, this is showing the total sum of profit and total sum of sales for the entire company. That is why you are getting a single dot. There are two on the X you have profit, and Y you have sales. So everything is aggregated only for the entire data source level. So there is only a single dot.
Okay. So this is like automatically.
Yeah, automatically, because it is by default aggregated, right? Both of the profit and sales. So in the analysis menu, if you see, this is aggregate measures. So I'll tell what happens if I remove this tick mark at a later point. First, let us see what happens if we add another dimension to this view. So if we add a category dimension, the color, now we have three dots now.
Oh, okay.
Three different colors. So one is for each category.
Okay.
To see, observe over here marks, you will say there are 3 marks because there are 3 circles, 3 categories. So sales and profit has been split into 3 values.
Okay.
So that is the one it is showing over here as 3 marks. And you can change the appearance of this mark also. So if you go, we have select the shape, right? So go over here and you can select any of these solid ones also.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can change the colors also here. So based on your preference. The next is we'll drag region dimension to detail. So there is a mark called detail. So we'll add a region to the detail. So what it is doing is increasing the level of detail.
Okay.
So now if you see there are more marks, right? There are more number of marks. Before it was only 3 and now they have increased.
Yes.
So the number of marks, if you see, is equal to the number of distinct regions in your data source multiplied by the number of categories.
Okay.
So we'll see how many regions are there. So here you see there are 23 marks. Just I put region. So these are the distinct regions, 23.
Okay.
And how many categories are there? 3.
3.
3 into 23 is 69. And this is the number of marks it is showing over here.
Oh, okay.
So that's what marks means.
Okay.
Based on your distinct combination of your dimensions, it will show you how many marks are there on your visualization. So this is nothing but a scatter plot. So you use 2 measures generally, and you see how it is spread in the visualization in terms using either circles or bubbles, etc. So generally use something like you can say a discount and profit, or a discount and number of sales, something like that, so that you can see like if the discount is increasing, are the sales increasing, and if the discount is reducing, are the sales falling down. Is there a relationship? To understand that, is there a correlation between these 2 measures? In those cases, you can use this scatter plot.
Okay.
So I will stop at this point now. We'll continue with the remaining charts tomorrow, and then we'll go into other topics like extracts, joins, cross database join, blending, and filters.
Okay.
So thank you. Then I'll meet you guys tomorrow.
Yeah,
Tomorrow?
Sunil, I have something.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Sunil, actually about the resume thing, you said no, Sunil, that you share it in the end of the course.
Huh?
Like, actually, my vendor, I told him the same, Sunil, that Tableau I'm still learning. He's like, if you can give me the resume, anyways, it will take around 25 to 30 days till
Yeah,
like I need to check
I have given the
everything and
resume.
upload. So
I've given the resume, right?
yeah, I mean, I understood the description and all, Sunil, but I need to
Mhm.
put some mock projects also. So I'm aware of the projects I have done in real time in my
Yeah.
experience, but in Tableau, I'm not sure, no, Sunil, like
No,
what kind of
what to do
projects
is
it would be.
you
So
put your description there, wherever the Tableau projects have been there, put the description there of your project, and the responsibilities you put that of Tableau. That would build the resume as of now. That is fine. The responsibilities whichever are shown for the Tableau projects. So that is a combination of other skills and Tableau. So Tableau was like
yeah,
4 years or something, and the remaining they had put the other skills. So you just take
yeah,
the Tableau
I mean,
part, substitute that project description with your description, but responsibilities you keep the same. That is
yeah,
enough to.
actually, yeah, I mean the other part I know so like how to put. I mean because OBI I have done, but the work which I have done is completely different, Sunil, when it comes to Tableau. Because in Oracle everything would be like something inbuilt report and everything. So
Yeah.
I can't put that projects in and fit in this resume. That is a problem. So I want
Uh,
you to help me in that.
that way means like how to. I mean, I gave
Yeah.
the format right skeleton, so I can't search a real time one right as of now. Like exactly the same
Yeah.
things would be.
Something if you can help me out,
Yeah,
Sunil,
I'll check it.
because
I'll
I
check
don't
it
know
out.
anyone
Yeah.
in Tableau. Actually, if
So
I have
because
any
we have to tell
friends or
what is the
anything, I
client and
would have.
everything, right? I
Yeah,
can't
I mean,
share that details.
client. No, no, not client, Sunil. Just to give an ABC kind of name. I'll put the project name which I worked. I mean, the client name in my real time, whatever I
Yeah.
worked. I put any client name. Just
Hmm.
you give me like what we do, Sunil. I mean, something, some like some financial or something, anything which you have, Sunil, something. The client name you don't need to share. I'll put something on which I have worked, the
No,
client.
actually,
Only
that
just
resume
give me
was a real
the.
time. That is a real time resume with the project description and roles and responsibilities. That is actually what they have done in the Tableau end. So whatever description you are seeing,
Or Sunil, can we
yeah.
do this in this way, Sunil? Like whatever they have put in the resume, like how
Hmm.
what you shared.
Yeah.
I'll just choose some, Sunil. Can you explain me that? Like how they must have done, like the requirements part and all. Like if you can help
Yeah,
me out
I
in
can.
that way.
I'll tell you, but see, if you won't be able to understand if I say it also. That's the thing I'm telling you. If I tell it
Okay.
now without understanding the concepts of it, if I say you won't be able to follow what I'm saying. Blindly you can put that responsibilities in your resume as of now because we will be covering all of them at the end of the day. That's why I'm telling
Okay.
blindly go and put ahead those responsibilities which are shown in the resume.
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
the project description is there with the what is done in that project. So if you want you can put the same thing and change the company name, or if you
Okay.
know some other thing, project description, you can put it over there, but the responsibilities you keep the same.
Okay, sure. I'll do that, Sunil.
Yeah.
Like whatever I just
If I
shared in
explain.
that, I'll choose and I'll put the client name which
Yeah.
I worked with.
Correct. Yeah.
I mean, some
That's
module
what we
which is
do.
related to what I
Yeah.
work.
Yeah. The thing is,
In the
when you
end,
explain it to them,
yeah.
that is the time, like when you say what your responsibilities, what you're doing, and how you have done it. So at that time, like once you're done with this course, at that time I can take that resume, whatever you have done, and tell you like this is how you explain. So these are the concepts. Since you are already covered, if I tell them, then you will understand. If I tell now, you won't be understand what I'm saying. You can't further modify it or later if you want to change it and tell them like this is what I've done. As of now blindly you can put your responsibilities, there is no issue because the responsibilities are the same. That's how it is going to be. You need not
Yeah,
worry about that.
building the reports.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that is when you
Sunil,
explain it to them, your client, what was it and what was the requirement, that you can say at the end of the course, like when I'm telling you, then you will understand.
okay. Um, so Sunil, one thing I'll do, like I'll create my resume, Sunil.
Okay.
I'll share it with you.
Okay.
If I'm going out of the box, like
Yeah.
something, if I'm touching anything which is like something I may not be able to
Yeah.
explain because I'm not
Okay.
sure of some concepts, right, in Tableau, which in
Yeah.
future you'll
Yeah.
explain. So if
Yeah.
something I'm touching, which is little difficult, or I may not explain to the in the interview.
Right,
Can you
right.
point out those things for
Yeah,
now?
sure. I'll do that. I'll do
Will
that.
that work?
Yeah, you just modify it in
Okay.
the thing.
Can you share your email address? Yeah.
You give it to Arun, like he will put it on a cloud place where I can download. So from there, I'll upload it back to Arun. Arun has a platform like
Okay,
very
yeah,
straight.
I'll do that, Sunil.
Yeah,
I'll just take this Tableau part
yeah,
and I'll
yeah,
put them. If you find something which
yeah, yeah.
which can be difficult for me, just let me know, Sunil, because
Sure, sure,
this would be the first project on Tableau
sure,
which I
sure,
will be working in future. That's
sure,
why.
sure, sure,
Otherwise,
sure.
that would, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll do
thank
that.
you so much.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll send that to Arun, Sunil,
yeah, sure. Yeah,
by end of the day.
sure,
Thank
sure.
you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
so
Yeah, Pranisha, tell
this
me.
Tableau, I can download the 2018 version, right? 3.3.
Uh, yeah, if you take that, it will be the latest version.
Uh-huh.
So the concepts which I am talking about is on 10.5 as of now. Whatever the interface I'm showing is 10.5. So if you want to follow the same actions which I'm doing, you
Yeah.
better take the 10.5 version as of
Yeah,
now.
since
Later
they
on, you can update it if you want, anytime.
so I need to download the 10.5 version, right?
Yeah, it's better to take 10.5 so that you'll follow
Okay.
what I'm explaining.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
You can anyways update it at any point of time,
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll do
and your
that.
license will be still be there.
Okay, no problem.
Everyone is fine, right? So I'll stop the session. So I'm leaving.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
thank you.
Bye then. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, bye. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.